Hello everyone, this is Business Plus on your way today. I quickly want to share something with you guys. I talked about eyes on Boom 1000 index for itself on 15 minutes time frame, and also we talked about Boom 1000 index for itself on also on M30 time frame. Now you can see this is what we did this morning. Now let me take you back to the VIP channel so that you see. Now I dropped the signal on Boom 1000 index, which the entry price is at 10402, and I put my SL at 104, but it has gone in profit already, guys. So now let me go back to the main screen, which I did the analysis. And before that, what I was talking about in the audio is I was analyzing from my PC, which I was talking about the support and the resistance, and where there might be a spike and probably is happening. And as we can see right now, as at the time I'm doing this video, Boom 1000 price is at 10354, which I will show you now, guys. So guys, before I proceed, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I want you to do so. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So thank you guys, god bless you, and stay tuned for the analysis. So guys, this is Boom 1000 index on 30 minutes time frame, but before that, let me go to 15 minutes time frame and show you exactly what I was talking about and what I strongly believe that will happen before I drop the signal on Boom 1000 index. Now the time frame is for 15 minutes time frame is for the scalpers. Okay, so as I've been saying, the time frame you generate your signal will determine on how long you want to stay on the trade. Now if it's 30 minutes, 30 minutes will be more longer than what you are doing on M15, which is the 15 minutes time frame. Now guys, I want you to look at the zone that I was trying to talk about. Now see on this area, which is at price 10354, you can see we have a very strong support at this point here. Okay, you see we have a very strong support at this point. So what I was talking about in the audio, I was pointing to this resistance zone. You can see we have resistance zone at that point too. So this is the resistance zone that I was pointing at this point. Let me just leave it at this, so that probably there might be a spike up at this point here. Okay, you see, and the spike did happen at this point. Then we have another selling. Okay, so it's selling, guys, it's selling. So now at this point, the reason why we are having something of such at this point is creating something like a consolidation zone. Sorry. So now let's see the reason why this spike is happening. Here you can see the spike is spiking up right now. If we should view it on M1, you can see it's a long spike, right? You see. So let's go back to M15. Now if you are an M1 trader, I will urge you to improve your trading skill, or to M15 at least, so that you can get more money. Okay, so now let's see now this is exactly why we are having a spike up at that zone, is because of this support. Okay, so now what we'll be looking at this point will be a breakout. So we'll be looking at breakout. So probably this might be, let me see, yeah, this might be your TP zone, right? So guys, anyone that has entered this signal, you can decide to close your trade at this point. Okay, so it's huge. Now if we should calculate the time, you can see this is my entry, right? You can see it ran for, this is 1 2, that's 30 minutes. We can probably say like an hour. Okay, so the signal ran for like an hour. Okay, and you can see my my lot size is 5, and I have it like in 4 places. Okay, so that's exactly what has happened on Boom 1000 index. Now let's go back to M30, which is M30. See, now after when you've done your analysis on M15, make confirmation on M30. Okay, check if 2 time frames is selling, definitely the lower time frame will respond to exactly what is happening on the higher time frame. Now let's see what's happening here. At this point here, you can see we have resistance here. Okay, now at this point here to see we have support. Now when it broke through this resistance, you can see at this point here, you see it broke through it, then it continued with the downtrend. So the downtrend continues. Now see at this zone here, we have a zone here which is a strong support on M30. Okay, so this strong support now is the reason why we're having this delay of continuing with the downtrend. Okay, so you can decide to TP here, you can decide to take your profit at this point. Okay, so it's not possible for you to just like get all the money in the market, no. Or you can decide to shift your lock-in profit, so you can decide to lock in your profit at this point. Okay, but if it should come and hit your SL at 10365, definitely you will lose the amount of money that you've gotten from this point to this point. Okay, you will lose the money. Okay, and probably you are trading against the spike can be a bit higher on the chart. Okay, so you lose money, so you can decide to use trailing stop for that. So guys, that's just what we've done today so far. That's just it. But for me, I was still thinking maybe I can find a downtrend on H1. We are on H1 presently. Currently, you see we are having a downtrend because I'm a trend trader. Okay, so I trade the trend a lot. So you can see, excuse me, so you can see we are having a downtrend at this point. You can see from this point here is a downtrend, then it continues to this point, and probably this might be this uptrend might be a retracement. Okay, you can see it might be a retracement. Then the downtrend, the new downtrend that's forming at this point here, okay, it can continue from this point here, then down to this point or below. Yeah, it's very possible. So that's exactly what I'll be looking at, since we have enough time to hold the signal. So guys, I probably would hold on the signal, and let me check exactly what is happening on H42. See, it's a downtrend. Okay, and probably it's just it just created another low high. So you can see it might even go beyond this zone. Okay, so for me, I will still hold and see what will happen, and if it's cutting some of my profit, I think I will close. So that's it, guys. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, I just want you to do so, and I really appreciate you guys. And check on the description and join my Telegram channel. I drop free signals like I did on this. Okay, so check my Telegram, and if you are interested in joining the VIP, you're welcome. So guys, stay blessed and stay tuned. Please click that subscription bell and button, click the bell also, and also join me on my Telegram. So stay blessed, have a nice day.